Hi, I'm excited to share with you guys today a back to school haul. Let's get started. So first I wanted to share some things I picked up from Target's Dollar Spot. They had this cute pendant for first day of 4th grade, which is what my daughter's going into. But if you've watched my 4th of July crafts, I showed you how to make a 4th of July pendant, and you can do something very similar to make a back to school one with your grade level, or you make it say first day of school. But they were pretty simple to do, but this one was just $1. And so I grabbed that. They have these silicone label bands. I like them for the water bottles. Sometimes my kid has a water bottle that another kid has, and this just helps differentiate it. She has one that I got off of Etsy that has her name on it. If I can find it in the store, I'll share that with you guys. But these were only $1 for 2 in the Dollar Spot, and I can use a permanent marker to write her name on it. And then that way her name isn't on the bottle itself, and I'm able to sell that bottle again or donate it later, and I can just move her name band onto the bottle that she's using, so that's helpful. Also, she loves to have lunch notes, and so I grabbed these, which were also $1. And so like this one, Lunchbox Notes, has words of encouragement. And the messages that are already on there are, I'm proud of you because, so they're just kind of like prompts to get you going. You are so blank, have a super day. I know you will do great on blank. Today is the big day, have fun, blank. Good luck on, keep up the good work. You did a great job, keep up the good work. Today is the big day, have fun, good luck on. You did a great job. You are so, I know you will do great on. I'm proud of you because you are amazing at. So these are just the different prompts they have. But it says it has 15 cards in it for $1. And then this one is Lunchbox Jokes. And so it says it has 15 cards, 10 jokes, and 5 blank ones. And so those are just cute, a nice little fun thing for your kiddo to see in the middle of the day while they're eating their lunch. This next one is like an Etsy shop review. Share with you something I grabbed off of Etsy. But I got this t-shirt. I picked a bunch of shirts I thought were cute off of Etsy and let my daughter pick which one she wanted. I like to do a first day and last day of school a first day and last day of school picture. And I like her to wear the same outfit so you can kind of see how much she's grown throughout the year. So she picked this shirt, says in my 4th grade era on the back. And this shirt is from the store Foxy Fine Studio. And this retails for $29.99. I believe I got it on sale, so just keep an eye out. But the print quality is really good. I'm really pleased with it. And then on the front, it has 4th grade era, whatever grade your child is in, and then you can personalize it underneath. So it's just a short sleeve t-shirt. We also could have chose the color. I think your options were like white, black. I can't remember if it was tan or gray as the third option, but my daughter went with black. So, and then it will have in cursive your child's name, and you can personalize it. So I really like this. I think it was a good find, and I'm excited for the shirt for this school. These next ones are from an Etsy shop called, I believe it's Coco Loco, KOKOLOKO Gifts. And I had been looking at the shirts, but then I saw a cup that had substitute teacher on it, and I'm wanting to get back into subbing this year. I used to teach, and then I started staying home, and so this year I'm going to try to sub more. So I got a little cup, and then I also found a cup that I thought was cute for her teacher, like a beginning of the school year gift, so I grabbed that too. So this is the first time I'm opening it and seeing it, so you're seeing it with me. But it comes with a stainless steel straw, and then a pipe cleaner to clean that with. And then it comes in these cute little boxes. And so this is the substitute teacher tumbler. And it's got these flowers, substitute teacher, helping little minds grow. And then I personalized it with my name. So yeah, that was cute. And then she has this design for lots of things like nursing or just several different careers. Not even, I mean, just teacher if you want to say, or 4th grade teacher, or anything like that. But I just really liked that design. I thought it was cute, and I thought this would be a fun cup to carry with me. It's got my name on it, so it might help students remember my name when I'm subbing. So yeah, this one retails for $45.96. I got it on sale, so keep an eye out for that. But it's good quality, I like it, and I'm excited to use it. Alright, and this one will be the one that's for her teacher. And it comes with 2 straws. I'm trying to fill this feels plastic, yeah. 1 plastic straw and 1 stainless steel straw, and a pipe cleaner to clean out the straws. And then this is like a glass, do you call them glass beer glasses? I don't know. Beer can glasses. I don't know what you call them. But it's got the similar print with the flowers that I have. Teacher, helping little minds grow. And then here you could put your actual teacher's name, but we don't know who her teacher will be. And so I just had her grade level put on it, 4th grade. And then inside, she has some instructions for how to take care of the glass. Hand wash only, not dishwasher safe, not microwave safe, do not soak, avoid extreme heat, and avoid abrasive sponges. And so I also like that it says Coco Loco Gifts, and that way if the teacher, when I give it to her, is like, oh, this is cute, where's it from? Then she will know. And so it's on front and back, so it doesn't matter which way you hold it, somebody will see the design. And that is cute. And this one retails for $33.98. So there you have it, a little small back to school haul, some stuff from Target and some items off of Etsy. Check out Coco Loco for some really cute tumblers and glass mugs. And check out Foxy Fine Studio if you would like a shirt like this one. Let me know in the comments below some of your favorite Etsy shops, and I can check them out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.